This unit raising the bar of RV living. As you see, I'm presenting you today the newest floor plan of Cedar Creek Cottage. It is a brand new 2026 Cedar Cottage 413 FWC. As you see, I'm standing in a nice high-end living area. But guess what? Where is this living area? It's in the front. And everybody when they see me in this video, they think, no, you're sitting in a normal living area on a fifth wheel. But they put it up in the front. And when they put it up front, it's so open, it's big. I mean, this is genius from Cedar Creek to make this front living fifth wheel like that. Because everybody knows front living room, TV right here, sofa on the slide, a theater seating facing the TV. But they raise the bar. They raise the extreme. This is the extreme of fifth wheel RV living. As you walk in, look the distance. Let's point this one. The distance from this to here. Look how big it is. I mean, two people could go on the stair. Look how the stairs, they give you the stress wood on it, like you're living on a nice barn. Not a barn, high-end unit. Coming here is so contemporary, so modern. From the back wood paneling slab behind the big smart TV, from the fireplace, and this TV on a swing arm, so don't tell me I cannot see it. And then you have a nice lounge here. I don't want to get it dirty with my boots. Oh, lovely. And a lady could sit here with her book reading lights and watching a TV. Gentlemen could sitting here watching a game. You have family members and friends. They could sit here and enjoy conversation. So if you see the three people with pillows, so you don't have here. I sit here, enjoy talking to my cameraman. So 3 people there, 3 people here, 6 easy people on the living area. And I am not in my kitchen. That's a big point you need to realize. I am not sitting inside my kitchen. I am outside of my kitchen. And then the storage under this lounge, storage right here, these doors. I mean, these ones self-closing. And they're, I mean, look, they utilize every single space. I love sitting here. Now, these windows is open. Now, you see it is dark because it has the cover, the bra cover for traveling. But when you park it, you take that piece, it's very open in the front. So, and then you have your own AC, because this unit comes with 3 AC, now 3. 1 AC in the living area, 1 AC in the kitchen area, 1 AC in the bedroom. Now, why this unit separate itself from the others? Look all the crown molding. This is same crown molding they put in fancy houses in Texas or Beverly Hills or Newport Coast Village, those places, the fancy one. Look at the furniture. This has a hide-a-bed sofa right there, plus you have a storage in this section. See this storage? And this is hide-a-bed sofa, as you see right there. So this sleep 2 people that way. So this fifth wheel, if you ask me how many people you could sleep 4. This bed, easy sleep 2 adult, and then the king size bed in the back. But it's a unique layout, unique floor plan. No one has it except Cedar Creek Cottage. They were so successful with the 412 FW, so they make right now 413. The different 412 FW is the real, this area sitting in the back. 413, remember, is the living area in the front. So we're inside the 413. Additional counter space with the plugs. Sensor lights when you walk in. Plugs. I love this wood paneling. I should ask Cedar Creek if they could give me this, because I love it. All the windows come with built-in shades. Now look at the windows. Nobody noticed. Solid wood balances or a trim to make it very high-end. So all these windows, they have a trim around it. And all these windows is open for wind circulations. This one, that one, the one in the back, the 3 in the front, this side. So in this living area where I'm standing, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows they open to get you fresh air. So don't tell me you don't have, it's bright sometimes. And I love the finishing of the wood. Again, fancy LED light like houses. Not, you don't have that piece plastic fixture like some other brands. And it's on a switch. US cell phone charger right there, USB plug on the corner. The details, that's what I really care when I walk in a unit. The detail, the finishing. I don't have to build this unit for you. It comes complete like this to show you the quality of the Cedar Creek Cottage. Now, let's go. I love this step. I'm walking. I feel like I'm a fancy big house. You know those houses with the 16-foot ceiling and 14-foot ceiling? That's what I'm inside this Fifthwheel with a high ceiling unit. A nice subwoofer, as you see in the living area. Now, this wood beams, I'm standing here and just staring in the ceiling. What a smart idea. I mean, it's exactly like those big fancy houses where they have the wood beam in the middle. I mean, look the finished detail even in the corner. How they do the corner between each one. And I mean, the light fixture they pick, and this is all solid. Don't tell me wrap. This is solid wood you see there. Going on the kitchen down, it has exactly what I want. It has, what guys, what I should call this one, you saw a lot of videos for me. This is what I call it, is my appliances. Solid here, solid. So it's easy to wipe, easy to clean. My margarita mixers, number 1. My espresso machine, number 2. My toaster, number 3. Plugged in right there. You make a mess, you have a trash can. You have a place even for the paper of the trash can. You want to cut some more like spoons, mixer for your drinks. I mean, they give it to you. This is a place for your bottles. Self-closing, all self-closing, a lot of doors. Custom pull-up trash cans, nice shelving. I could put bottles, glasses, you name it, and make myself a nice drink. Or, you know, I could make a drink and pass it to my family members when they're sitting watching a game. Kitchen, I don't know what to say. No, I could say it is high-end, super high-end. Look, this nice 30-inch microwave. And then they give you a full cabinet around the microwave with a nice LED so you could see what you're cooking. Some of them you can't see what you're cooking. Nice solid service. Look at this. Even they put your forks, knives. This is a slick door inside a door. You put your spoons, you put knives. Oh my God. They give you, look the finishing. Nobody noticed. Look the finish, how clean these doors. Amazing. Everybody think it's a warmer, but it's not a warmer. It's a cooking doors. Cooking appliance doors. Big oven. You could put your turkey. Residential look, 3-burner range Furrion. Oh, that's where you put your knives. Spices. Look the finishing. Please, 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 please look. More doors. People, they say you open too many doors, we'll get tired. But the reason why I do this, not because I want to open all of them, just to show you how the amount of storage in the doors and the cabinet you have, place for your chemicals. If you know, 409, Windex, you name it, it's right there. And then it has the 3-way multi-sink, waterfall, cup rinse, rice faucets, kitchen counter space, cutting board. Nice counter space. Don't tell me you don't have enough counter space. Look, you have one right here. You have on the left side of the stove, right side of the stove, and then you have this counter space. You have all. You just come and use it. Nice refrigerator with ice maker. Samsung, good brand. I have one in my house. Now, you're gonna tell me, wait a minute. I don't want a guest to walk in my master suite, because here, I'm gonna show you one thing. Give me 1 second, please. I'm gonna close this door because they're gonna tell me, customers, I know what they're gonna tell me. I want a privacy in my bedroom. I don't want to see my bed to somebody. Well, you don't have to. Look, you walk in, look how big the door, 36-inch door. You walk in, beautiful kitchen, beautiful dinette. Over there is your living area, your kitchen. And if your family members or your guest want to use a bathroom, they don't have to get inside. Don't let them. They have their own bathrooms right here. You have a second bathroom. Look at the nice, this paneling. Look, this is not a wallpaper. This is not wallpaper. This is nice paneling with the oval shaped mirrors. Porcelain sink with a nice size faucet. Porcelain toilet. Place for more. Oh, I love it. Everybody asked me where I could hang my toilet papers. Well, there's one here, so you don't have to just put it in and start using it. And towels. Here's for another towels, more for towels. So you could see the advantage of this beautiful, even crown molding in the bathroom. Whoever, for God's sake, crown molding in the bathroom. They give it to you with a fantastic fan. And then going over here, you have a nice, beautiful country. I love country. Nice solid tables. See, and then this one is slide this way and that way is the latch right there. Let me open it so I could demonstrate this for you, because the tables, you see, slide and then slide the other way. So you could see, you could sit here because you could see the table go that way. So a glide way and slide table top the other way. It said, easy people, serve me food, eat, enjoy the nice view, the dinette, the second AC right there is so amazing. You just come enjoy this unit. And then when you walk in, like today is a cold day, I have a place to hang my jackets. And ladies, they're gonna ask me, where's my pantry? Come on, here's your pantry. There's doors here with more storage, more stuff for you. They're all self-closing, more storage, and this is your pantry. So, I'm done with my kitchen and dining. Now, sorry, guys. I forget, more storage. Wherever there's empty space, they give you storage. That's the conclusions. And here's your solar panel. Here's control for the 3 ACs and all the lights, and it has 2 black, 2 gray, actually 3 gray. Black for the bathroom in the front, black for bathroom second, a gray for the kitchen, and gray 2 for this bathroom, and gray 3 is for the rear bathroom. So 3 gray, 2 black, 1 fresh. Voila! Open the door. Woo! Wow! Nice, beautiful king-size bed with a ceiling fan, modern ceiling fan, and a 3rd AC. Place for USB plugs, books, shelves, storage underneath it. You could put your shoes right here, and you have a nice bench if you want to take your booth before you go to bed. So you just take like this. Hold on, let me do this. And you sit, you take your shoes off, you raise your... And then you go through yourself on this beautiful bed. Let me here take my shoes. Hold on. Voila. I love it. Woo, nice. Nice king size bed for 2 people. And you have a nice big smart TV. So lay down here and watch a big nice movie. And then you have plenty doors for socks and underwears. And nice has LED underneath. So you could see. Beautiful. Amazing unit. And also you have another pocket door over here. So if you don't want to see the bathroom, voila, full privacy. Nobody could see the bathroom. Now the bathroom is something else. Bathroom is the bar. Ooh, like, love this nice paneling behind these mirrors with 2 oval mirrors, big bright light as you see with the skylight, high ceiling, 2 sink, 2 vanity, and porcelain vanity, a lot of doors, a lot of cabinets. Don't tell me you don't have enough. I mean, you have doors. I don't know what you're going to fill them out, as you see. And then you have additional slide. This is as part of the bedroom slide. Closets. Look how deep closet. Look how deep these doors. I mean, you name it all. You have it all. 6 doors here, another 6 doors in the bedroom, another hanging closet over here. What a beautiful. Now, if the cameraman spin a little bit, and we have our beautiful stackable washer and dryer. Voila, what do you need more than that? Nice, beautiful dryers, washer, and then more doors here if you want to store things you don't use that much every day. Place to hang coats, not coats, shower towels when you come out from the shower. Very roomy. Porcelain toilet. You could come from the shower, dry yourself, and dress up and fix yourself and go ahead, start your day. Look how the nice shower door. Very nice, beautiful. I mean, I don't know what to say. This is not camping. This is glamping. This is went to the extreme in RVs, and it is the 413 FWC Cedar Creek Cottage. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a house, and it's beyond house on wheels. Wow, wow! It's like I'm walking in a big mansion. This is a nice, huge mansion from Cedar Creek Cottage. 41 FWC, I have the best price in whole entire country. Come to Best RV as you see in the link, and no hidden fees, and put your house on the road. Let's go.